This video is absolutely insane. I believe this world is coming to an end. Welcome to the Let's Get Gritty news. I'm going to be bringing you news from all over the country. The weird news, the craziest news, the unbelievable news. This video, I'm about to prove that there is nothing but sickos in this world. But if you like the Let's Get Gritty news, go ahead and press that like and subscribe button. Become part of the Gritty family. Let's get to the video.
Charges against 63-year-old Dr. Christopher Davis of York County. We went to his home to get a comment about these charges. I spoke to him, but he declined to say anything. Dr. Davis is facing multiple charges, including rape and involuntary deviant sexual intercourse. According to investigators, the doctor engaged in unlawful sexual acts with patients at the Pyramid Healthcare York Methadone Treatment Center, where he was medical director and staff physician. The investigation revealed the doctor would withhold or threaten to withhold treatment from drug-addicted female patients who refused his sexual advances.
Wow, stop it. Stop it. This dude, like I said, I told you, a sicko. I'm going to find the sickos, these cockroaches. You see what this doctor did? He used his power for sexual favors from people that went to the rehab to try to change his life. A bottom feeder.
The doctor has gotten in trouble before with the state. The State Board of Osteopathic Medicine suspended Davis's license after the state says back in December 2000 he declared a person at Manor Care in York deceased. During that evaluation, records show he told a nurse he was a ventriloquist, and he put the patient in a seated position and manipulated her jaw as if the patient was talking.
Stop. Who does that? Now, let me point out, he said a manor. So that's a old person home, like a retirement home. So that means he used an elderly corpse as a ventriloquist. Bottom feeder. Like I said, I'm going to find them and bring them to you. Let's go.
His license was suspended. A year later, Davis was also charged with stealing painkillers from an office supply room for his personal use.
Are you fucking kidding? Stop. So therefore, there were signs and red flags that he was a freaking creeper, that he was a sicko, a weirdo. But they reinstated his license to also practice again. Wow. Unbelievable.
Also tonight, no comment from the management at this methadone treatment center in York County. I did talk to a methadone patient out here in the parking lot. He's been coming here for about 5 years, and he did speak highly of the doctor. In York County, Ed Weinstock, WGAL News 8.
This dude, how does the reporter ask a male? His victims were females. That makes no sense. That was a waste of time and energy. But like I said, Let's Get Gritty News is bringing you these bottom feeders, these scumbags, and exposing them. If you like the Gritty channel, the Gritty News, and you want me to bring you these kind of pervs and expose them, the kind of world we living in, go ahead and press that like and subscribe button. Become part of the Gritty News so I can bring some more. With God, you have everything. Without God, you have nothing. God bless.